Hi guys, it's me, Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos and every single Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I can't even think of my intro. Hi guys, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. That was the intro. Today it is October 15, 16. Today's the 17th and I had a couple cancellations this morning. I'm pretty much free until 3. It means I have plenty of time to go on a WALK with Elsa. And since it's fall and chilly, it was actually raining outside this morning, so I decided to wear this little vest just in case it does rain. I do have an umbrella too, but I don't think I'll take it because I'm just gonna walk down to the water near our house and take the job. The library's closed today. I was kind of hoping it would be open today so I could return my book and get a new one. Even though I didn't finish it, I started it and I was like, this isn't the book for me. And I know I should finish it, but it's past the due date. So I figured I'll either renew it when I get there. If I decide to give it another chance, I'll get a new one, but I'm gonna go grab Elsa and we'll go on a walk. And it's beautiful outside. We planted a tree this weekend. We actually just transplanted it. It used to be in our front yard. We moved it to our backyard. It's a little maple tree and it's gonna look really nice next to the other trees. So it's almost 11 and it is a little bit chilly out, but it's like the perfect weather to just wear a comfy sweater and a vest, maybe a jacket, which is nice because I don't like layering up for winter. And I'm wearing my favorite fall boots, which I got from like Winners or something. They look like this with my favorite jeans. And look, now we're at the beach. Oh, also, we don't have a leash. Don't know where it is. Couldn't take Elsa without a leash, unfortunately. But to make her not so jealous, I'm gonna run a few errands, like go to the post office, because otherwise she'll be really sad. And I won't go out for that long because I'll go home and play with her outside. I've definitely said this more than enough times than you need to hear, but I can't help but feel so grateful for our lives and for where we are in our life to be able to walk down to the beach like this. I know that you guys are probably really sick of hearing me say that, and I'm sorry for that, but honestly, I think I need to just say it out loud and record it so that when I look back at these vlogs, if I ever do, if I have the courage to watch my vlogs for once, I will see how grateful I was and just feel very, very fortunate, because we are all very fortunate to be on this planet and living life. Anyways, I don't want to get too corny, but look at this view. I mean, come on, this is gorgeous. I love fall for this reason. Look at the color change in the leaves in the background. It's so beautiful. I just love living so close to water. It's so peaceful in the mornings, especially on fall mornings when the leaves are all changing and you can see it at the dock. It's really nice. It makes me really grateful where we live. You're also propped up on a picnic table. I think I'm also going to make some soup when I get home. I do want to do a ballet class later today, but I might do that after lunch. Just because I have a lot of time today, so I might do that after lunch. And then I teach around 3 o'clock, so I think I'll make some butternut squash soup. We have a stray, so I'm gonna leave her some food. She missed this blanket. Blue Jay is literally waiting for his peanuts. He's like, hello, ma'am. He came right up to here. He's like, excuse me, lady, where are my peanuts? So I will get them for you, okay? Not for you. You back up. This tea is definitely my favorite. It's got some cinnamon in it and it just tastes really good. So I'm gonna make some of this to have with the soup on the side. Her eyes are bugging out of her head. She's like, oh. Hi guys, we just had some lunch, so I'm going to be doing a ballet class, and I figured what better time than to show you guys my latest obsession tutu list. This video is not sponsored, by the way. They actually sent me these clothes to try on and these leotards and warm-ups to try on for TikTok, but I couldn't help but share with you guys on my YouTube channel. Now, what I love about Tutu List is that it's the first dancewear thrift shop, so it's very similar to Depop, where you can resell your used dancewear, and you can also repurpose and repurchase dancewear from other users and other dancers who are no longer using it. So it's A, better for the environment, B, better for your pocket, and C, all around more sustainable, which is something that I really stand beside. And you guys know that I will never support a brand that I don't resonate with and don't actually believe in. So I'm really happy to be able to share these tutu list leotards with you guys. Now this one is one I'm going to wear for my ballet class today. I'm going to be following Catherine Morgan's class. I'm just not feeling very inspired, and I just want to feel like I'm part of the community again, because I feel like the past couple days I've been kind of alone at home. So I'm also going to be wearing these leggings, which are also from Tutu List, and they're, oh my gosh, I can't even show you guys. I'll show you in the clips, you'll see them. They're really, really soft and comfy as well. And what I also love about Tutu List is that everything's really packaged nicely and also environmentally friendly, because it's all in one package. You don't have to go through 10 million bags. So thank you very much, Tutu List, for sending me these beautiful leotards. Tutu List's mission is also to connect dancers around the world and across the globe through dancewear and helping the planet while they do it. So again, thank you so much, Tutu List. I'm going to go finish getting ready. This leotard is really soft and smooth. The blue one that you guys can see in the B-roll as well is, I think it's from Wear Moi, but I really, really love it, and it's so pretty, and it's one that I would have loved to buy when I was in dance school. It's just very flattering, so I'm really happy with the choices that they sent to me, and I'm also really happy with the skirt. It's really flattering. However, I'm feeling like wearing pants today because it's really cold out, so I am going to be wearing my sauna shorts because it's freezing, and I'm going to be putting on my pointe shoes for today, wearing my trusty leg warmers, also gifted from Tutu List. Look at how cute, they're so soft. I kind of like the look of them on the heel, but I also have really slippery floor, so I might just wear them like this, but they're just so cute on the heel like that. You know what I mean? They're flattering. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go put on some shorts and do a Catherine Morgan bar. I'm also teaching in an hour from now. It's 2:13 now. Why did I say that like that? It's 2:13 and I'm teaching at 3:15. So I'm gonna do a quick class, and I am going to teach after this. So I just finished teaching my afternoon class. It looks like it's gonna start raining soon, so I'm gonna go to the store really quickly, grab some ingredients I need for the soup. I'm gonna close out the vlog here. I know this was a pretty short vlog, but I just wanted to hang out with you guys this morning and take you on a day with me where I'm not doing too much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now. I'm gonna put that in if you do it one more time.
Oh, coming through.
Thank you. I don't want to say it, but thank you.